This is my Tao menagerie so far on the ship, but we have had a few catastrophes. Some of them, their cows came undone, their heads fell off, and they were taken away for burial at sea. The reason that we chose this particular cruise was the fact that it went to Tortola, and we had never been there. Cruises to Tortola are few and far between. So we said, why not? Let's go.
Caribbean side of the island. Now we are moving over.
Before you lose it. Oh, all right. Oh, Lord, that's pretty. Wow.
Can you go up?
Can you please take a picture for me, please? Just
Virgin God is the one in the background.
Yes.
Sorry.
I was trying to get under your arm.
Where we're going to end up. It's a long way to go.
Okay.
You see one of those mountains over there? See that mountain over there?
Which one?
That's where we're going.
Which one?
First?
When we reach over there, you'll be looking back over here, all right?
I see a lot of
That's where we're
mountains
going.
over
We're
there.
going all along this mountain.
I have to wake up looking at that every morning.
Hi everyone, this is Bruce and Jan, and we want to thank you for stopping by. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and give a thumbs up. Now, on to the program.